Hello. Now better hold on your head and play the victim. All of this are your doing.
Oh, this will be my doing. I set me up in a Camille.
And you never have nothing to do with it. I know you plant the seed when make you there, so now.
Camille, I work hard to get something out of life, you know. And people are try set me up. People are try draw me out.
Draw you out, Trevor? So you're innocent in all of this? Take them for fool. Not take me, Camille, for fool.
Camille, a construction me in. Me not in a drugs. And two people envy me, them a try to carry me down.
Show me your company. I'ma tell you who you are. You mix up with the wrong crowd too much.
Which crowd you talk about? Eh?
You forget who you talk to? Trevor, a Camille. The little girl who did see you as a god. The one we could have never do no wrong for.
So what change?
You show me your true colors. I don't know nobody else. Are you?
Camille, thanks for the two party, you know. But it come like say you come here so for throw salt in my wood. And it don't make no sense.
Trevor, the truth is an offense, but not a sin. At that, make you reach yourself. You don't like the truth because you believe like you know everything. You're arrogant. That's why you never stay around me, Trevor. Because I always tell you the truth. And at the same thing with Sonia, that's why you're not gonna like we. You know see, none of the other baby mother them no business with you. Them no want see you. Them no want they round you. Not even them picnic. Them no want see you.
Alright, Camille. Read my rights. Read my rights.
Trevor, when you gotta understand, say every action causes a reaction. You make your bed, you know. Nobody can help you, Trevor. You have to lie down in the bed.
Camille, you know how competitive my line of business is? You know how hard me have to work to get a contract?
No, Trevor. Me's not a contractor, sir.
That's why you're not a judge.
Judge? Judge, you don't sentence yourself.
It's alright. It's alright, man. Me soon get back on my foot.
Trevor, you realize what happened to you? You depend around for drugs. Police, I look for you.
Me innocent. I said them set me up.
So why you never go police station go plead your case?
Because who shoot me have links?
Who shoot you? And why?
Come here. Me no want to talk about that.
I say expect to live, Trevor. I say expect to live. You're not telling me who shoot you?
When we put certain things together, we can talk about things.
Really? Really?
Come here. Come here. Hold on now. Come here. You can't leave. Me need you.
Trevor, Mama tell you this. You see, for me, help you, I have to know everything. I mean everything. Wanna we? I feel. Know the truth.
Alright. Come on, me tell you the truth.